Hey guys, so I am super excited because I just got my first ever package from Glitter Slime, and if you don't know what Glitter Slime is, it's basically the shop, and it also has an Instagram page and a YouTube channel, so I'll leave those down below. They sell so many slimes 2 times a week, but they sell out super fast, so I got it on Tuesday, so it just arrived now at 11:43, and here's the package. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's personal, so let's just open it. Oh, there's a sneak peek. This is a Hawaiian bun, and it's huge, bigger than mine. It's eerie, like. So let's take this. Here it is, and let's see how slow rising this is. It's not that slow rising, but it still is, and it's super cool. Okay.
I'll leave the cup with me first.
Oh, this is, I think, a 4 ounce.
6 ounce.
6 ounce. I'm new at this. Oh,
Give me the other one. I want to do the other one.
I can't open.
I got you.
Butter slime, lime buttercream. Oh my gosh. Let's dip. There's a sneak peek. Oh, look! So it says glitter slime, the package, and she put borax.
Extras.
Yeah,
So
so
put the camera down.
there's a candy thing.
Ooh, that's nice.
Gummies. And then so there's that.
Oh,
And then
borax.
okay, let me add. So there's borax.
That looks really long.
And then
Borax.
hold on. And then it says glitter slime. And here is a care sheet thing for.
We need that. We need that. Over here.
And yeah.
Okay, I want to do the next one.
Okay. So my helper's gonna do the next. Glitter slime, and this is what it is: lime butter cream frosting cupcake. So then I'll grate this.